Hey everybody, I know it's been a very long time since I've last uploaded a video about photo editing and Lightroom and all of that stuff, but one of the reasons is because I've been more focusing on stock videography and essentially trying to get as many clips uploaded as possible, produce clips and just kind of switch it up compared to just taking photos all the time. And essentially what stock videography is just, well, let's say you see an advertisement or a video or something like that online, then the company might need a certain kind of clip of, let's say, a guy eating salad, or maybe a travel company wants to feature, Thailand, and they need a clip of a guy exploring a temple. It might just be a lot cheaper to just buy a clip rather than to send a film crew across the world to get the shot and all of that stuff. So what you can do as a videographer, and actually also with photos, is just upload your photos to third-party sites like Shutterstock, like Pond5, and then have possible clients license your footage, your pictures, and you essentially get paid for that. Now, there's a lot to it. There's so much I've learned over the past few months about it. And right now I've got almost 2,000 clips online on Shutterstock itself. So that's a lot of clips, a lot of stuff I've shot. And I just kind of want to share more videos about this in the future. But for this video, I just kind of want to show you how you can get started, what it's all about, because if you shoot photos and video and you love doing that, it can be very hard to monetize it and to make some actual income from your passion. And stock video or stock photography is a great way of doing that. And it's an actual thing that everybody who has a certain amount of quality clips can, make some money. And it's not anything that makes you rich, or certainly nothing that happens overnight. It takes a lot of work. So I just kind of want to share the basics with you. So essentially, you could take clips that you already have. I'm going to speak more about stock videography because I've tried stock photography in the past. I still sell some clip or some photos, but compared to videos, it's just they sell for much less money than actual videos. For example, photos can sell for as little as 30, 40, 50 cents, whereas videos very commonly sell for 20, 30, 40, $50, maybe $100 even with certain licenses. So it's a lot more valuable to just shoot video, in my opinion, at least for me. But you can certainly do both. Maybe if you love photography, you can also sell those. Some certain websites charge a lot more for their photos. Anyways, that's a whole different discussion. But essentially what you can do is just go to one of those sites like Shutterstock, Pond5, Storyblocks, and upload your clips that you already have. Let's say you do travel videos, you have some amazing clips of beaches and exotic locations, or maybe even an architecture, famous place in your hometown, whatever. Then you can go online and upload that to those sites, add some metadata, and start earning money if somebody actually decides to buy that stuff, because it's commission based. Whenever you sell a clip, you get a certain percentage of that. Certain percentage goes to the actual stock video site, and that's kind of the whole business model. So you can either do that with existing clips you already have, or you can go out and shoot new clips specifically aimed for stock video. And in the past months I've been shooting all sorts of stuff, more kind of touristy things, more commercially stock videos, like people drinking some coffee at a cafe, or eating salad, and not very necessarily artistic, more kind of commercially oriented videos. And it's been at the point where I actually earned some decent amount of income from it. And also what's great about stock video or stock photography is that once you've uploaded it, once you've done all of the work, then it stays on the site for, well, potentially years. And you don't really need to do anything actively to those clips that you already have online. So, again, it's not gonna earn you a lot of money right away, but maybe in the course of 2, 3, 4, 5 years, that might be a worthwhile investment just as a side income, to get some passive income and to diversify, especially if you're a videographer, if freelancer, then diversifying your income is very important. That's pretty much the gist of it. I don't know if you're interested in stock videography. I think it's a great tool, again, as an addition to whatever you're doing. I wouldn't solely focus on it because it is hard to make a full-time living. I could certainly not do it with the 2,000 clips that I have online right now. But I'm very happy to share more about it. And for the end of this video, I just kind of want to show you some basic process about how it works. So, okay, let's say you shoot a clip, you know, you have person eating salad. Let's take that clip. You can go to one of those sites. First of all, you of course have to register, and some of them want you to submit like 5 or 10 clips for them to evaluate whether you have the skill and quality required for the videos. And then once you're actually approved, you can submit your pictures. Let's say again, the salad video, and then you will have to add a title. You would have to add keywords like, you know, maybe the title would be Caucasian man eating salad in park or something like that. And then the keywords would be salad, man, eating, healthy, lifestyle, natural lighting, shallow depth of field, stuff like that. I'm very happy to cover all of these subjects more in the future, and, you know, also kind of mix that with some more Lightroom tutorials. This is just kind of a random update video, or just kind of a basic introduction into stock videography, how it works, how you can start making some actual income, you know, with your footage or photos. And I think it's quite interesting. I'm very excited about the whole thing. It's a nice change to just shooting photos and making Lightroom tutorials on YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions about more specifics of this, because I know I've been very broad about this whole subject, it's just a short video. Just ask me in the comments. I'm happy to answer everything I can possibly do. And also, if you have any, you know, suggestions for future videos where you would like to see me discuss a certain aspect of stock videography, then let me know. Okay, that's been it. Thank you very much for watching. Slow, slow. Break down, break down. Desperate, desperate, really desperate. Keep going, don't look at the camera. Good. That looks really good. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hello. Yeah, I'm here. I can hear you. Okay.
Keep talking.
So what do you think about next Wednesday? Next Wednesday would work out great for me. I can do any time in the afternoon.
Wonderful. That's really good.